adding harmful substances to the land, water, or air. Pollution, it is when unwanted chemicals or trash harm our environment. Imagine you're trying to have a conversation at a loud party where everyone is shouting over each other. Just like how the noise makes it difficult for you to hear and communicate, pollution adds harmful substances to the land, water, or air, disrupting the natural balance. In this analogy, the loud voices at the party are like pollutants, overwhelming the environment, your ability to hear and communicate, and making it difficult for nature to function properly. A material or an energy source in the environment, like trees, water, or wind, is called a natural resource. Natural resources are materials or energy we find in nature that humans use for survival and development. Imagine you are trying to find a reliable Wi Fi signal in a crowded cafe. Just like a strong Wi Fi signal provides the connectivity needed to browse the internet, natural resources such as trees, water, and wind provide the essential materials and energy needed for our daily lives. In both cases, identifying and utilizing these resources optimally allows us to stay connected and function efficiently, whether it's staying online or supporting life and development. Number and variety of species living in an area. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of all living organisms in a specific environment. Imagine trying to cook a delicious meal with only salt and pepper in your pantry. Just as a variety of spices and ingredients are essential to create a flavorful dish, the number and variety of species living in an area are crucial for a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Each species in an ecosystem plays a unique role, much like each ingredient in a recipe, contributing to the overall health and resilience of the environment, similar to how a diverse pantry allows for more robust and satisfying meals. The careful management and use of resources. Conservation. Conservation in science is about protecting and preserving natural resources to ensure they are available for future generations. Imagine you're trying to make your monthly salary last until the next paycheck. Managing your budget wisely to ensure you have enough for rent, food, and leisure activities is similar to the concept of the careful management and use of resources in conservation. Just as you allocate your paycheck to cover all expenses without running out of money, conservation involves allocating natural resources in a way that ensures their availability for the future, balancing current needs with sustainable use. The use of resources in a way that does not damage the ecosystem. Sustainable. In science, sustainability means using resources without harming the environment, ensuring they are available for future generations. Imagine you're trying to manage the balance of your monthly budget so you don't run out of money before the end of the month. Just like you allocate your funds in a way that allows you to cover your expenses without going into debt, using resources sustainably involves consuming them in a manner that maintains the health of the ecosystem over time. Just as overspending can lead to financial trouble, overusing natural resources can harm the environment. So both require careful planning and moderation to ensure they remain viable for the future. A resource that is replaced by nature more quickly than it is consumed is a renewable resource. In simple terms, a renewable resource is something like sunlight or wind that we can use repeatedly because nature keeps making more of it. Imagine you have a smartphone that charges faster than you can use up the battery. This scenario is similar to renewable resources, which are replenished by nature more quickly than we can consume them. Just as your phone stays powered because the charger replenishes battery life faster than your usage drains it, renewable resources like solar or wind energy are naturally replenished at a rate that exceeds our consumption, ensuring a sustainable supply. A natural resource that is consumed faster than it can be created is called a non renewable resource. In simple terms, non renewable resources like coal and oil can't be replaced quickly once they're used up. Imagine you're at a party with a limited number of snacks, and everyone is eating them faster than they can be replenished. This situation is similar to how non renewable resources work. They are used up at a pace faster than nature can produce them. Just like how the snacks will eventually run out because they're being consumed faster than they can be restocked, non renewable resources like coal, oil, and natural gas deplete quickly because we use them faster than they naturally form.